हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम लोग अगेन मिले हैं जिसमें हम लोग एक स्टोरी को पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, आई होप आप लोगों ने इस स्टोरी को पढ़ रखा है। ठीक है, द स्लो कुकिंग खिचड़ी। ठीक, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना समय गवाए हुए। अगर चैनल में है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब शेयर कीजिए। ओके, तो पहले हम लोग बुक पढ़ेंगे थ्रू द स्पेलिंग। AKBAR Akbar, WAS was, ONE1 OF of, THE the, MOST most, ABLE able, RULERS rulers, AMONGST amongst, THE the, MUGHALS Mughals, and ONE1 OF of, THE the, GREATEST greatest, क्या है ये? greatest, EMPERORS emperors। ठीक है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? emperors बोलते हैं। ININDIAN Indian, HISTORY history, AKBAR Akbar, WAS was, AVERY very, WISE wise, and OPEN open, MINDED minded, RULER ruler, WITH with ASOUND sound, CHARACTER कैरेक्टर। ठीक है, अगर सेशन अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और कमेंट करिएगा। अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आए तो कमेंट बॉक्स में। ठीक है, HEWAS was, ANN able, ADMINISTRATOR। अब डियर ये इतना बड़ा हो गया था, इसको हम ब्रेक करेंगे। तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, ASSEECAPABLE capable, SOLDIER soldier, HEHPOSSESSED progested, TREMENDOUS tremendous, COURAGE courage, OFTEN often, often। ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो टी है साइलेंट है इसलिए क्या पढ़ेंगे? often। RISKING risking, risking, HISHIS LIFE life, and WAS was, ALSO also, EXTREMELY extremely, STRONG strong, HEHWAS was, KNOWN known, FOR for, HIS his, FAIR fair, SENSE sense, OF of, JUSTICE justice, AKBAR Akbar, HAD had, WISE voice, AND ABLE able। ओके, क्या है ये? able, able, COURTIER courtier, CALLED cart, BIRBAL बिरबल। क्या बोलते हैं इनको? बिरबल। ठीक है, and THERE there, ARER many, STORIES stories, ABOUT about, THE the, INTERACTIONS। ठीक है, interactions, BETWEEN between, AKBAR Akbar। ओके, and BIRAL बिरबल, WHO who, WOULD would, OFTEN often, PROVIDE provide SOLUTIONS solutions। अभी क्या हम इसके बारे में समझें कि स्टोरी क्या है। ठीक, अभी क्या हम पहले बुक पढ़ने ध्यान दे रहे हैं। ओके, solution TO2 THE the VARIOS various PROBLEMS problems THE the EMPEROR emperor WAS was FACING facing BORN born AS as MAHESS Mahesh DAS Das HEELATER latter TOOK took THE the NAME name BIRBAL Birbal AFTER after JOINING joining AKBARS Akbar's COURT MAHESH Mahesh WAS was BORN born INNAREMOTE remote VILLAGE village CLOSE close TO2 AKBARS Akbar's CAPITAL capital AGRA Agra HEHWAS was INTELLIGENT। अब ये भी बड़ा वर्ड आ गया, क्या करें, इंटेलिजेंट, इंटेलिजेंट। ठीक है, BOY बॉय, SHARP शार्प, AND एंड, QUICK क्विक, WITTET waited, HEHWAS was, NAUGSTA naughty, AND and, OFTEN often, PULLED pulled, TRICKS tricks, on HIS his, FRIENDS friends, TEACHERS teachers, and ELDERS elders, on THE the, RARE rare। ठीक है, OCCASIONS occasions, WHEN when, occasions when, HEHWAS was, CAUGST caught, HEHGOT got, AWAY away, WITH with, WITTI witty, COMMENTS comments, and REMARKS remarks। क्या है ये, remarks, LEAVING leaving, EVERYONE everyone, LAUGHING laughing, BIRBAL Birbal, WAS was, QUAL qual, equal, TO2 EVERY every, CHALLENGE challenge, and WAS was, NEVE never, FOUND found, WANTING wanting, INA ANY CRISIC crisis, FACED faced, BYBAKBAR Akbar, THE the, EMPEROR emperor, TURNED turned, TO2 HIM NOT not, ONLY only, FOR for, COMPANIONSHIP। ठीक है, अब ये तो बड़ा वर्ड आ गया, इसको कैसे पढ़ें, इसको क्या करें, कंपेनियन। ठीक है, कंपेनियनशिप। ठीक है, कंपेनियनशिप, BUT बट, ALSO also, FOR for HELP help, AND and GUIDANCE guardians, ठीक है, guardians, BACAME became, ONE1 OF of HIS his MOST most TRUSTED trusted MINISTERS ministers APART apart FROM from BEING being a MEMBER member OF of AKBARS Akbars INNER inner COUNCIL councils OF of NIN 9 ADVISORS advisor KNOWN known as THE the NAVRATNAS Navratnas ओके नेक्स्ट की तरफ हम लोग देखते हैं यानी ऑन A COLD cold WINTRY wintry EVENING evening AKBAR Akbar and BIRBAL Birbal WER TAKING taking WALK walk ALONG along ALAKE lake BIABAN Birbal WAS was THINKING thinking LOUDLY loudly AMAN man WOULD would do you to ANYTHING anything FOR MONY money ठीक है AKBAR Akbar PUT put HIS his HAND hand IN THE the LAKE lake and IMMEDIATELY immediately WITHDREW withdrew it BECAUSE because the water WAS was BITING waiting cold with AKBAR Akbar THOUGHT thought ALOUD allowed TOTWO ठीक है इसे भी क्या पढ़ते हैं हम लोग टू पढ़ते हैं अगर एक सिंगल भी ओ आएगा तब पर भी टू और डबल आया तब पर भी टू ओके नेक्स्ट थिंग don't THINK think anyone WOULD would SPEND spend ENTIRE entire NIGST night IN THE the COULD cold WATER water OFE of THIS this LAKE lake EITHER either OF of MONY money ठीक है money or where or FOR for NO no MONEY money ठीक है फिर BIRBAL बिरबल ASSCEPETE ठीक है accepted THIS this AS as a CHALLENGE challenge TO2 PROVE prove HIS his WORDS words AMAN man WOULD would DO2 ANYTHING anything FOR for MONY money SO so HE SET set OUT out TO2 LOOK look FOR for a PERSON persons क्या है person HO WHO who WOULD would SPEND spend AN and ENTIRE entire NIGST night, INETHE the ROYAL royal, POND pond, FOR for a THOUSAND thousand, GOLDE gold, COINS coins, AT at, LST last, HEHE FOUND found, a POOR poor, MAN HO WHO who, WAS was, READY ready, TO2 ACCEPT accepted, THE the, CHALENG challenge, THE the, man, ENTERED entered, THE the, ROYAL royal, POND AKBAR Akbar, HAD, HIS his, okay. GUARDS guards, POSTED posted, THERE there, TO2 MAKE make, SURE sure, THAT that, THE the, MAN REALLY really, DID did, ASS PROMISED promised, THE the, POOR poor, MAN WAS was, ABLE able, TO2 BEAR beer, THE the, COULD cold, WATER water, FOR for, MONEY money, NEXT next, MORNING morning, THEE APPROACHED approached, THE the, EMPEROR implore, in ROYAL royal, COURT court, FOR for, his, REWARD reward, but, AKBAR Akbar, FIRST first, TRIED tried, TO2 make, SURE sure, whether, THE the, POOR poor, MAN HAD, REALLY really, SPND spent, THE the, ENTRIL entire, NIGT night, INTHE the, LAKE lake, HEHE finally, ASKED ask, HIM him, HOW, okay, HEHED had, MANAGED managed, TO2 SPEND spent, THE the, NIGST night, INETHE the, LAKE lake, THE the, POOR poor, man, INNOCENTLY innocently, REPLIED replied, THE the there, WAS was, a STREET street, LAB lamp, NEARBY nearby, and I CONCENTRATED concentrated, on, THE the, LAMP lamp, IT it, MAD made, me, FEEL fill, LESS less, COLD cold, okay। तो ये जो स्टोरी है उसी में बेस्ड है, यानी कि वो क्या होता है जब पानी में उतरता है तो ठीक वो पूरी रात को सरवाइव कर जाता है, जब नेक्स्ट डे जब बादशाह पूछता है कि कैसे तुमने ये किया, तो उसी के बारे में ये बता रहा है, ठीक है। तो BY बाई THIS दिस, REPLY रिप्लाई, THOUGST thought, THAT that, THE the, EMPEROR emperor, WOULD would, BEBALR, THE the, MORE more, PLEST pleased, BUT but, ठीक है। तो आज हम अब यहीं तक इसको पढ़ते हैं, ठीक। यही ट्रिक्स को पढ़ते हैं, नेक्स्ट हम लोग कल पढ़ेंगे। तो अभी क्या करते हैं, ये तो हमने ऐसे ही पढ़ा, हम लोग तो थोड़ा इसको इस तरीके से पढ़ लेते हैं, ठीक, थोड़ा इसको समझ के पढ़ते हैं, स्टोरी में समझेंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसको, ठीक है। फ्रंट पेज पे हम आ गए। ओके, तो जैसा कि इसमें दिखाया गया है कि क्या क्या है हमारा, क्या है, अकबर वॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एबल रूलर अमॉन्ग्स द मुगल्स एंड वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट एम्परर्स इन इंडिया स्टोरी। ठीक है, साथ में पढ़ते चलेगा तभी जाके आया था क्या। अकबर वॉज ए वेरी वाइस एंड open minded ruler with a sound character. He was an able administrator as well as a capable soldier. He posted tem- uh, tremendous courage, often risking his life, and was also extremely strong. He was known for his fair sense of justice. Akbar had a voice and able courtier called Birbal, and there are many stories about interactions between Akbars and Birbals, who would often provide solutions to the various problems the emperor was facing. Born as Mahesh Das, ठीक है, क्या नेम है, महेश दास। He later took the names Birbals after joining Akbar's court. Mahesh was born in a remote village close to Akbar's capital, Agra. He was an intelligent boy, sharp and quick-witted. He was naughty and often played tricks on his friends, teachers, and elders. On the rare occasions when he was caught, he got away with witty comments and the remarks, the leavings, everyone's laughing. Okay, Devil was equal to every challenge and was never found wanting in any crisis faced in by Akbar's. The emperor turns to him not only for but also for help and guidance. He becomes one of his most trusted ministers, apart from being a member of Akbar's inner councils of nine advisors known as the Naratna. Okay.